Hey, 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 I'm Fish. We're going for adventure. Two, that is. Today, I got the best camera with me. It's not the best camera in the world for the reasons of that light. It could show a flare, and that'll ruin your shot for the day. So, I will slow down and get underneath that street light for you. Is it in my shot? Is it ruining my shot? Oh, yeah. Now, I heard that if you long press on the screen, you can exposure lock your camera. I think face tracking will come on instead. Yeah, I just saw the square box come on. I wish it would have said EV in there to tell me that it exposure locked my shot. So, are all street lights made equal? Is that why they ruin your shot? Ah, my camera looks pretty good, right? No, it don't. It just brightened up. Why does it look always overexposed? And I got my EV value down to 0.07, however you want to say it. Negative 0.7. Oh, enough said about this talk. I'm gonna go have some fun. So let's get on going. I shot video, my whole vlog. Yeah, in HEVC H265. And by the time I got to the third part I was editing, my computer did the stop crash. Oh man, it crashed again. And I'm trying to figure out why. DJI is just too powerful in HEVC, or the updated drivers by Intel basically caused the issue. So now I'm back in H264. Nothing wrong with that. It's still the same camera doing the same excellent shot, getting the job done. So when does the light ruin your shot? As we move the camera, we'll start to rotate it. Just let me know when it starts to get destroyed. That's about 3 o'clock. Let's bring it to the other side about 9 o'clock. Oh, man. Let's get on going. Just enjoy the scenery. Don't worry about how to fix the shot, because you got to avoid everything in life in order to get it right. So I had my Cannondale Adventure 2 for a long time. Not a very long time, but a time enough to say, hey, I really like this bike. I don't need to have a e-bike conversion kit on it today. I pedaled against the wind. Man, let me tell you, I wasn't struggling at all. I felt comfortable. And it is a little windy right now hitting me. Problem is, the technician who built the bike, they didn't tighten down some of the parts. Like the right handlebar. It moved a little. Well, I took an Allen key and I made it real tight this time, so it's not coming off. I don't know if it's me, but maybe the wire, the tire, it's a little wobbly. The rubber, maybe that is. Not the rim. I don't think the rim is bent at all, but the tire seems to be, yeah, just a little bit. They're Kendall tires. What do you expect? They're not Goodyears that was supposed to be on the bike, and that's what Cannondale substituted with. I would have hoped they'd given me the original, what I requested. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. So I am long-term with Filmora 13, and I'm officially using it all the time. I don't love it, and I don't hate it. One of the problems I have, occasionally I get logged out, and I don't know it, and I have that purchase screen on the program. So I wish it wasn't logging me out, or I have to have a login for it. It's almost like a monthly check-in with the program. Maybe they should have a two-step authentication for it. You know, that's what everything is about today. Yeah, we're on the boardwalk, on the middle part of it. So yeah, you may have a little vibration. So we get on the smoother part. Slipping. Yeah, man. So you got a freighter in the distance. Oh, look, a cruise ship coming in. That's 5,000 people to the port. Watch the garbage truck pick up the can. Oh, he almost picked it up. He's got to pick up the garbage. Interested in something in there. Yeah, man. Yeah, I agree with you. The prompt just blocks my view. When that prompt goes, I stop the video. I'm trying to get down to the pier where the HMM freighter's at, so I could get to see the cruise ship. Yeah, I'm following along. I got some tents set up. Maybe I'll get down there. Oh man, they had a marathon down here, half marathon race. And I got something else set up as well. Oh no, something's happening. And it's good. Maybe the cruise ship's coming in for the, occasion, the attraction. Don't know which way to go, so I went on the outskirts. Marathon races, either they're cleaning up or starting again. We got lights up ahead, and they're portable lights. Oh yeah. We always on our phone. Come down to the end. Congrats, you rock Brooklyn from Prospect Park to Coney Island. I gotta slow down because I can't get across. All right, so here we are. I gotta get to work. Need a drink? Do they run with you to get the drink? They're around. The carousel's lit, finally, so you get to see some lights on. Oh yeah, so let's get to where I need to be at. I did my best. I tried to catch up to the cruise ship. It beat me. Listen, you hear that? Those are waves. And the start of the race. The medical team, the sweepers of the sand. Oh, what a shot. Oh, look, the Enterprise going up for a ride. I had my fun, my share, my talk, my ride. But it ain't over yet. I gotta get on out of here, and I don't want to go back the same way. See if I can exit stage right. Get on out of here, see if you can go down this road. And we're open this time. So yeah, come on down to Nathan's. So yeah, everything's all blocked off. The road's for the fish. So we're getting on out of here. All right, I can get back on the boardwalk and get back to some scenery shots. Oh man, I'm in third gear climbing. Come on, fish. You can make it. 3 more revolutions. I had a wonderful bike ride. I had a wonderful talk. And yeah, I'm getting on out of here. I got work to do. I got stuff around. And I gotta get things going. I'm a busy camper. Are you happy you're not busy? And you're watching a video that you may have learned just a little bit of something? I'm getting on out of here a little different way. Ooh, yeah. No yelling. We're finished. No more. The end of us. But one thing I learned, I had a good day. Have a good one yourself. I'm Fish, and I'll catch you on many other videos to come.